Meet Arisha and Uswa, two wonderful best friends who share the most amazing adventures together. They love spending their days playing games, sharing stories, and creating beautiful memories. Their friendship is filled with laughter, joy, and the kind of special bond that makes every moment together magical. One day, Arisha discovered that Uswa's birthday was coming up soon. Her eyes lit up with excitement as she began thinking about how to make her best friend's special day even more wonderful. She wanted to give Uswa something truly meaningful, something that would show just how much their friendship means to her. So she started planning the perfect surprise with great care and love. Finally, the big day arrived. The party venue was transformed into a magical wonderland with colorful balloons dancing in the air and bright streamers creating festive waves across the ceiling. Happy children started arriving, their eyes wide with wonder at the beautiful decorations. The room was filled with cheerful chatter and excited giggles as everyone gathered to celebrate Uswa's special day. Through the door came Arisha, holding a beautifully wrapped present close to her heart. She had spent so much time choosing just the right gift and wrapping it perfectly with ribbons and bows. Her heart was beating fast with excitement, knowing that soon she would get to see her best friend's face light up with joy. In this special moment, Arisha walked up to Uswa with the brightest smile. Their eyes met, and without words, they both knew how meaningful this moment was. Arisha carefully handed over her gift to Uswa, their friendship shining brightly in their happy faces. The whole room seemed to glow with the warmth of their special bond. As Uswa carefully unwrapped her present, her eyes sparkled with delight. The look of pure joy and surprise on her face was everything Arisha had hoped for. Uswa's smile grew bigger and bigger as she discovered what was inside, and her heart filled with gratitude for having such a thoughtful best friend. The celebration reached its perfect ending as Arisha and Uswa shared a warm, heartfelt hug. Their laughter mixed with happy tears as they held each other close, celebrating not just a birthday, but the beautiful friendship they share. This wonderful moment showed that the greatest gift of all was the special bond between two best friends who truly care for each other.